Hi everyone, welcome to 4758 Gilpin Court. Today I'm in South Burnaby, about to show you this amazing 2018 custom built house that I just listed. This home features 8 bedrooms, 7 full bathrooms, and guess how many mortgage helpers it has? Not 1, not 2, but 3 rental suites for a fantastic rental income. Let's go check it out. On the main floor, there's a spacious dining room with a cozy gas fireplace and large windows for a ton of natural light. The living room connects to the 270 square feet balcony, which overlooks beautiful mountain views on a sunny day and comes with 2 gas hookups for your barbecue, perfect for entertaining. The main kitchen features real wood cabinets, KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, which all comes with a standard 5-year warranty, granite countertops throughout, and a large island. It even comes with a separate walk kitchen. The den is an ideal oasis for a home office, overlooking the flower garden just outside. Upstairs has 4 generous-sized bedrooms, and the master has another small balcony, walk-in closet, an ensuite with a deep jacuzzi tub, and steam shower. So this house has everything you want and need. Some other features include engineered hardwood floors, radiant floor heating, HRV system, air conditioning, and even built-in central vacuum and speaker. The 3 rental suites can generate up to $3,500 to $4,000 of monthly income and all has separate private entrances. We're also 5 minutes away to Metrotown, Crystal Mall, BCIT, and walking distance to nearby high school and elementary school. So book your showing with me ASAP because like all my other listings, this one will also not last long in this hot market. See you next time.